Central Southern Virginia, Wednesday, November 29th, 2023. I checked about 30 minutes ago. It was 20 degrees. Doing a cold start. 69. 6.9 IDI. I guess this is a follow-up. This is as cold as it's been since I had the truck. I actually need to go to work in a little while and see if it'll crank. Yep. I changed the oil yesterday. Put a new filter on it, fuel filter on it. Anyway, it cranked right up. I'm thankful for it. I thank the good Lord that it starts like that. You can find out more details about the truck about looking at my other video. God bless. Good day.